带美国媳妇和家人去泰国旅行，没想到被困在雨中。
Now we stuck here, so big rain.
We got a bag on the baby's head.
Hello, 我是一航。
我是 Kenzie.
你是 Sunny. We are gonna go Thailand right now. Are you excited?
Absolutely excited.
Yeah, hope this time we'll have a good trip. She just got a new job, and for her work, when we come back, she gotta go work, and I need to go work too. So we are waiting our luggage trip. So we will see in Thailand. That's our meeting each other.
We'll explain later.
Yeah, go.
We recorded right here last time. This
Really?
exact spot.
Go America?
I don't remember.
I guess so.
Maybe Thailand. Every time we've gone to Thailand, we didn't have two babies. We had two babies this
Yeah.
time, and
Oh, every time
Family and
we go
friends.
see different. First time me and you.
Yep.
Second time with Sunny. This time with Ruby.
Ruby and Kim.
Yeah.
So fun. I can't wait to see my babies play together on the beach. That's
Okay.
my most exciting.
Okay. We are on airplane.
Ruby's gonna sleep, so that's awesome.
Yeah, because just now we didn't try let her sleep. So right now later when airplane start fly, she can fall
She'll knock
asleep.
out.
Yeah, good job.
Eating a cookie now.
Are you happy, baby? We're gonna go. Sunny, are you happy?
Yeah.
We're gonna go ocean. 我们去干什么？
游泳。
Good job. God damn. Because we're not good, so we delay how long? 1 hour.
Yeah, we had it perfectly timed for Ruby to sleep. She's been sleeping all this time. She's gonna wake up soon. 3-hour flight with a baby who wants to run and cry. Not fun.
Yeah, that's so hard. We didn't start yet.
红头。
What are you eating? What you doing? This is late 1 hour. We thought Ruby will sleep on the flight, but now she,
Timed it perfectly.
yeah, but now Ruby already wake up. Gee.
For a 3-hour flight.
Yep. Yeah, I think will be terrible. She want to come out and play.
Run around.
Yeah, we will see. Sunny, did you see him on the sky? Third time.
That one looks really good. That one looks really good. They both look not bad. I'm not super picky about airplane food. I think only 2 times. I've had a lot of flights, but maybe only 2 times could not eat. Looks weird. It looks like jelly.
Play. You play.
I see the light outside.
Are you excited? Finally come back.
Thailand! Don't bite me! Don't bite me! Just the airplane. She gets so messy. Her clothes are completely dirty.
Okay, we're gonna go out right now. So this time because we have so many people, so I order a taxi. Can sit 8 people or 12 people, I guess. So go see. Hopefully it's a big one. Different experience. OK， 我们刚刚已经找到了这个接我们的车。I help.
Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Everything, yeah.
Go. Wow, this time a big car. Wow.
Smells so good.
Yeah, not bad.
Smells like a hotel.
2百
200块钱人民币啊。
12还找到。
那这个，
哎，半个小时嘛。
你从这儿到我们这儿住了起码30公里吧？200块其实也应该是。这个最卷。好。
OK， 我们去 hotel。
这个不能买，这个不能买。
OK， 到酒店了。
所有的台语和音标。护照。中文。为什么就我听不懂
？Careful, Bobby.
English? Yeah. Yeah, English name. English name. Name, first name, last name. Your telephone number and your sign.
你现在心情咋样呢？Sunny, Sunny, come here. Are you happy now?
Yes.
Yes. So happy. 你说什么？
这个什么？
这个是水，你要喝吗？不要。
This is water. This water.
你要喝吗？
不行。
哎呀，拥抱了。Sunny, come here.
Oh, here's the bathroom too.
现在相当于是个家庭房，还行，我们只住1晚，然后就走了。那我们准备出门去吃点东西。Okay, we're gonna go outside. Let's go see have any place can eat. So first place, this one. Go.
Where's Thai tea?
甜吗？
买点牛奶，别让牛奶没瓶。
随时可以来买。他们到处是这个。现在我们打车去。
还可以走。
那走嘛。
那请请。
Wow. Go see what we eat. 这里据说是那个火车夜市搬过来的地方，因为之前生意一直不好了，然后好像他们统一搬到这边来了。
What is that? Spicy chicken fried calamari.
Rice with spicy chicken.
Help yourself, Phoebe. This one's sleeping.
Yep.
How about it?
No. But have more. Other things. Just hungry. 我们刚准备走，然后现在外面就下特别大的雨。现在估计只有再等一下。So big rain. Now we stuck here. So big rain.
It's like flooding the road. Ruby, we got a bag on the baby's head.
Yeah. We're gonna go take taxi, but we don't have umbrella too. So we think about how to do.
So loud.
Yeah.
I'm all just covering my ears.
Too hard. Crazy.
I keep
We finally got hotel you look here. So sorry because just now so big rain make us can't record. I need to hook baby and go get the car. We just go to the hotel. I'm gonna go sleep. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. We're gonna go Pattaya. Okay, today because so many accidents and really big rain, we already too late we come here. So right now we're gonna go sleep because tomorrow we need to wake up early and go Pattaya.
Dad.
Okay, see you guys in next video. Bye bye.